There are more binary star systems in the known part of the universe than there are single ones. The surface temperature of a star is many orders of magnitude less than the temperature of its core. Brown dwarfs, or protostars, are the coldest of all stars. Jupiter, by the way, could well have become a brown dwarf if it had been a little more massive. Fortunately, it didn't work out. Interesting facts about Jupiter. The larger the star, the shorter its life cycle. Red dwarfs live the longest, trillions of years. By the way, they are the most common type of stars in the universe. In fact, all the stars in the visual spectrum appear white, even our Sun. It seems yellow to us because its rays are refracted by the atmosphere. The brightest star in the night sky is Sirius. By the way, it is also a binary star system. The most massive star known to us is the blue hypergiant R136A1. Its mass is 256 solar, and it emits 10 million times more light into space than our Sun. And the largest star known to mankind has long been considered the VY of the Big Dog. The diameter of this red hypergiant ranges from 1300 to 1630 solar, that is, about 2 billion kilometers. If the VY of the Big Dog were in the place of the Sun, its surface would be between the orbits of Jupiter and Neptune. Interesting facts about Neptune. But later it was found that the UI of the shield is even larger. Its diameter reaches 1708 solar. Some scientists believe that the red supergiant Betelgeuse has already exploded, turning into a supernova, and in the not-too-distant future the light of this explosion will reach us. A black hole is, strictly speaking, not really a star, but rather what remains after the collapse of really massive stars. It is impossible to visually see the black hole itself, but you can see the accretion disk of matter absorbed by it. Most stars at the end of their life cycle turn into white dwarfs, a star of ordinary density, but having the size of the Earth. Interesting facts about the Earth. Neutron stars are those that are too massive to transform into a white dwarf, but not massive enough to become a black hole. One of the most exotic types of stars is pulsars, which are neutron stars that emit radio beams from the poles at a furious speed and rotate around their own axis at a speed of up to 700 revolutions per second. The pistol star is the hottest of all known. With a luminosity of about 1.6 million solar, the gun emits as much light in a minute as the Sun does in 3 years. The atoms that make up our bodies were once particles of stars. Just as the planets revolve around the Sun, so our Sun revolves around the center of the Milky Way. It takes about 200 million years for one such revolution.